Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem A Teenager's Prayer. In this English workshop, we are going to learn warming up, margin questions and English workshop. Warming up. Question number 1. Form groups of 5 to 6 and discuss. Give a rating of 1 to 5 to each of the following. When you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? Just take a look at the rating. Question number 2. In poetry, very often there are lines in which the poet seems to talk directly to an absent person, an abstract idea, or things or object. Such a tactic or device used by the poet is the figure of speech apostrophe. For example, twinkle twinkle little star, death, where is thy sting? O caveman, I wish I could live with you. Now complete the following, creating examples of apostrophe of your own. A. O life, how charming and beautiful to face you. B. Dear God, please keep me happy today. C. Books, you are my real friends. D. Exams, I wish you come again. E. Oh, you beautiful sky, how beautiful it is to soar. Margin questions. Question 1. What is the age group of the speaker in the poem? Answer. The speaker in this poem is a teenager. Teenager is the age between 13 to 19. Second question. What decisions does the speaker have to take? Answer. The speaker has to make decisions of taking right path and keeping himself away from bad things, means temptations. He should also choose the road of success. Third question. What does each new day fetch? Answer. Each new day brings new beginnings. Fourth question. How should one react to temptation? Answer. One should say no to temptation that comes in the way. Fifth question. What effect does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teens? Answer. The speaker wishes to see he has lived very best of his teenage. Sixth question. In what condition does the poet wish to maintain his body? Answer. The poet wishes to maintain his body and keep it clean and fit each day when temptation attracts him to do anything wrong. Seventh question. Whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life? Answer. The poet wish of the company of God in the walk of life. English workshop. Question 1. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. A. According to the poet, new beginnings are brought by each new day. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to great success. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the best years of his life. Second question. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer. First, make, take. Second, success, distress. Third, see, me. Fourth, way, day. Third question. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following options. First option AABB, second option ABCD, third ABCB, and last ABBA. Answer is ABCB. Fourth question, match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. First, decisions I must make is inversion. Second, please open up my eyes, dear Lord, is apostrophe. Third, travel down the darkened road is alliteration. And fourth, I can choose to take the road of life is metaphor. Fifth question, element of planning an interview, group activity. Form groups and discuss each element of planning an interview and prepare notes on each element. Sixth question, prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. You may use the following guidelines. Answer. Hello Prithvi, glad to meet you. First question, how does it feel to raise the World Cup, Under-19 World Cup in New Zealand in 2018? Second question, who inspires you the most? Third question, could you please tell me about your family? Fourth question, what is that one lesson you will never forget from playing cricket? Fifth question, what was the best performance in your life according to you? Sixth question, how did your friends and family support you? Seventh question, in which age did you start playing cricket? Eighth question, what are your plans for next IPL? Ninth question, what do you miss a lot from home when you move to another country for the match? 10th question, what advice would you like to give for young cricketers? 7th question, read the poem, write an appreciation of the poem. Check the link in the description for new revised 5-mark appreciation. 8th question, compose a short prayer in English asking God to help you in your teenage years. Later you can even try to make the lines rhyme to give it a poetic form. Answer, O Lord, sometimes I feel confused by the words. I don't understand how there can be richness with poverty. Help me to be loving, accepting of all I meet. Sometimes I feel down about the pressure on young people to succeed. O Lord, in this confusing world, help me to stay calm and happy and achieve what I want. 9th question, look around in your vicinity, your family, friends, neighbors, classmates, etc. and write about any 4 teenagers who have made a name for themselves by doing something extraordinary. Teenager group, name, special, extraordinary task, things performed. First family, Yash, my brother who took part in essay competition and achieved first number. Second friends, Bhairu, my friend who passed CA examination at first attempt and became a famous CA in Pune. Third, neighbors, my bodybuilder neighbor took part in various competitions and became Kalyan Sri last year. Fourth, classmates, my classmate for the first time took part in dancing competition, achieved first number.